Good day. I'm Camille Posadas and I'm here to lecture about the analysis of the internal environment, specifically the technical aspects. By the end of the lecture, the students are expected to identify the technical aspects of an entity's internal environment, know the importance of analyzing the technical aspects of an entity, and lastly, present the technical aspects of an entity's internal environment. The internal analysis is the process of identifying the assets and obstacles that define an entity's potential and limitations. The previous reporter enumerated and defined the parts of the operational and the market aspects. Now, we will move on to another aspect of the internal analysis, which is the technical aspect. An entity's technical aspect describes the technology involved in producing, processing, manufacturing, and other aspects of its business operations. And that is why the technical aspect is otherwise known as the technological aspect. It also deals with the entity's fixed assets, such as the machinery and equipment, and intangible assets such as the information systems and technology employed in operations. The technical aspect also includes the skills that are directly involved with operating, maintaining, and controlling these assets. Hofstrand offered four key points of the analysis of the technical aspect. The first is the current industry state of the art, which indicates the standard technology used by the industry competitors in producing similar products and or services. The second is the technology to be utilized, which involves the proposals and procurements of prototypes and the competitive advantages, the success rate, and the challenges the entity will face with its adoption. The third is the sustainability and production technology. It is the reliability and the competitiveness of the adoption and the procedures of its acquisition. The last is the proprietary protection, rights, and claims, which is the security of the competitive edge or the trade secret the entity acquires, and the legal actions against any infringement of its rights. It is important to analyze the technical aspect of an entity because it helps with the development of strategies to leverage the strengths and the compensation of its weaknesses. More importantly, the analysis of the technical aspect helps in formulating the effective alternative courses of actions in a financial plan. Now I'll present examples of analysis on the technical aspects with Ohana Trading Corp and PMMI. First is on the machinery and equipment. Strengths in this category can be of new equipments, the strict inspection of assets, and also the maintenance of such. Weaknesses on this are the defects on factory equipment and also the costly regular upgrades. Next is on the skilled personnel. Strengths in this type of asset is the licensed, trained, and skilled workers of the entity. While as weaknesses, it can be the negligent attitude of workers, their uh, poor work ethic, and also workers having inside jobs or different contracts of other entities. Another example is for the information system as intangible assets. Strength in this type of asset is the regular updates of entities in their systems, the presence of logistics, and also a website. Weaknesses for information system can be the outdated systems and or website, and another would be the absence of the systems, updated systems and website. So in a nutshell, the technical aspect of the internal analysis deals with the technology involved in producing, processing, manufacturing, and other operations of a business. It includes tangible and intangible assets and the controls the entity employs in maximizing and minimizing their respective strengths and weaknesses. The identified as technical strengths and weaknesses should be written observing parallelism when writing a financial plan. Lastly, here are my references. And that ends my lecture. Thank you.